Here we have an Adura installation. It's actually a renovation of the flooring, the laminate flooring, due to some water damage. So we had to remove it from the kitchen and bathroom area. This is removing the old laminate floor. Had to pick it up in the hallway, kitchen, dinette area. And this exposed the flooring underneath, which was a combination of ceramic tiles here and plywood, and we had to patch that transition to make it smooth and level so the Adura could transmit over it without any waves or bumps. So we had the plywood in one area, and this is the ceramic floor in the bathroom, which we skimmed over. And this is, it dried, and we just started the Adura installation in the bathroom. Here is the completed bathroom with the attached matching quarter-round molding and the toilet reinstalled. And here we are back in the kitchen with the installation underway. About a good half of it installed over the plywood area and transitioned completely over into the ceramic area. And here we are just about completed, just installing more moldings, running it all the way through dining room, kitchen, into the closet area, down the hallway. To complete this final renovation. And here is the completed job. Everything's cleaned up, matching molding, quarter rounds installed. A beautiful renovation, conforming with the whole floor area, running it through the kitchen, dining, down the hallway, in the closet. So this completes this renovation. A beautiful match with the existing cabinets, stainless steel appliances, black vinyl cove under the cabinets. So if you like this video and you want to see more, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com, go to our video gallery, or at the end of this video you could click on the playlist and see other vinyl installations. And we would ask you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So again, thank you for watching and enjoy more videos.